Coming to 10th question now. Name the group of microbes used in biogas production. Lab is Cyanobacteria methanogen. Lab, we know that to convert milk into curd, yeast in bakery, and in the preparation of alcohol. Cyanobacteria, they help to fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. So the answer is methanogens. Methanogens, they are the group of bacteria which help in the production of methane gas. They are found in cow dung. 11th one. Wastewater treatment generates a large quantity of sludge which can be treated by digester, activated sludge, chemicals, oxidation pond, and the answer is digester. See, the sludge, we should remember one thing. Yes. The sludge is subjected to anaerobic digester. Anaerobic digester. Okay. So it is activated sludge, combination of fungi and bacteria. We call it as flocks. We call them as flocks. So when it is subject to anaerobic digester, there the methanogens, they carry out fermentation to release biogas. So in STP, STP stand for sewage treatment plant, biogas is one of the side product. Coming to question number 12. Primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of dissolved impurities, stable solid particles, toxic substances, harmful bacteria, and stable solid particles. Yes, primary treatment is called as physical process because in this the filtration and sedimentation is carried out to remove the solid particle. Question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. BOD means biochemical oxygen demand of wastewater is estimated by measuring the amount of. So let me tell you what is BOD. See here, BOD, its full form is biochemical oxygen demand. Biochemical oxygen demand. This BOD. So how to define BOD? Imagine a water body contains organic matter in it. Organic matter in it. Okay. Organic matter in the water. So now to oxidize this organic matter, maybe the oxidation takes place by bacteria or the microbes. They need oxygen. So the amount of oxygen consumed by the microbes to oxidize all the organic matter present in 1 liter of water is called as BOD. So BOD is measured, it is based on the consumption of O2 by microbes. So the answer should be total organic matter, biodegradable organic matter, oxygen consumption, oxygen evolution, oxygen consumption. By anaerobic process, the cow dung is used to produce, we know that it is methane, propane, butane, ethane, methane. The main sources of biofertilizers are the main sources of biofertilizers are. What are biofertilizers? Let me explain. See, biofertilizers. Biofertilizers. See, we know what is fertilizers. Fertilizers are certain kind of chemicals used in the field of agriculture, used by the farmer, which provides the required nutrients to the plant and plants grow. That is fertilizer, like urea or maybe organic manure. So that is fertilizer. Biofertilizer means, bio means life. Some living organisms, they help for the enrichment of the soil and thereby they help for the development of plant. So example, we can take example of, see, even earthworm can be example for biofertilizer, earthworm. Or you can take blue-green algae like nostoc, because they fix nitrogen in the soil, atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So all these are example for biofertilizer. So the answer for this is, the main sources of biofertilizer, Protista, Cyanobacteria, fungi, all of these. See, Protista, you can take example of some microbes, Cyanobacteria, especially nostoc, and fungi, even mycorrhiza is present. So all of them can be considered. Question number 16. The free living fungus Trichoderma can be used for killing insect, biological control of plant diseases, controlling butterfly caterpillar, producing antibiotic, and the answer is biological control of plant diseases. 17th one. Which of the following serve as biofertilizer in paddy field? Anabena, Azospirillum, nostoc, both A and C. Both A and C. So answer should be this, both A and C. Coming to 18th question. Which of the following is not a nitrogen fixing organism? Which does not fix, Anabena fixes, nostoc fixes, Azotobacter fixes, Pseudomonas, it does not fix nitrogen. Then curd is good for health. We know that curd is good for health because why? It kills disease causing microbes in our stomach. Yes, this is correct. It is rich with vitamin B12. This is also correct. So both A and B are correct. Both A and B are correct.